So that'll take you all the way through the chorus and the verse. Now I want to show you also a second guitar part, which happens both in the chorus. Now I don't think Maroon 5 actually plays it in the chorus, but I'm going to ask you to add it for character. It goes like this. So watch what I'm doing. Okay, now that right after the bridge, that's really important for the interlude there. In fact, that's all there is just drums and this. Here's the right hand part on it. Notice all the back and forth with the pick. Only one string at a time. Okay. So here's how it goes. It starts with the 6th string, or the top string, and that is the 10th fret. Okay? Right there. Dun, 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 dun. Now that is the 7th fret, 5th string. Then the next note, which is probably the one you want to hit the loudest, is the 2nd string, 10th fret. Here's the pattern again, the beginning of it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay? Dun, 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 dun. Okay? Both of those are hit pretty hard. So lots of times on the first note of the pattern, then dun, dun. Okay, see where that is? Hits twice, both on syncopated beats. And then the second part of the pattern, do, 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 do. Notice everything takes place on the 10th and the 7th frets. Okay, but the second part of that pattern goes, oh, here's the first part. Then it goes on to here. Bum, 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 bum. So that was, and I'm just going to do, I'll try to simplify it for you. It's 5th string, 7th fret, up to the 10th fret, back to the 7th fret. Now we're down to the 6th string, 10th fret, and then we go down again on the 6th string for kind of a lead-in note back to the root, which is this. Now that lead-in note is on the 7th, if you notice. Oh, sorry, you can't see my nut. 7th fret. Nut being this part of the guitar. Ha ha ha. Okay. Here's the pattern again. Slow motion, really slow. Getting faster. Whoops. Notice there's a heavy right hand muting all the way through. That's that. Okay, so that one you need to know well as well. Let's see, the final one that you may need to know, just in case. The piano is going to play this, but in case we don't get the piano part going well enough, we're going to do it on guitar. This is the bridge. See, your faith is shaking, you may be mistaken. Desperate and confused, so far away from you. What I didn't know. Okay, I know I'm singing the wrong words, but you get the idea. Okay, so those chords are a B minor 7. Okay, that is a bar all the way over the 2nd fret. Then you've got your 2nd finger second string, third fret, right down here. Then you got your third finger, fourth string, fourth fret. Okay, then basically you slide that down, take the bar out because the nut becomes the bar in this case, and you can move your fingers around for that's an A minor 7. The next one, now there's a couple of variations of this, but probably the easiest for you would be, this is a B diminished chord, okay? So it's, here it is, it's the 5th fret, 1st string, I'm sorry, 5th string, 1st fret. This is the 4th string, 2nd fret, and the 2nd string, 2nd fret. These two are both open. And that does a G right there. Now, technically, it should be a diminished chord here. But, it wasn't diminished, sorry. That one. But it's a lot easier for you if you do it on the, as a B diminished. Sorry, not B, B flat diminished. This whole thing is a B flat diminished. Okay, then it goes back to the B minor 7th, which you did at the beginning of the bridge. Desperate and confused, far away from you. And then we've got a regular C chord. B7, C, you know. Look it up if you don't know it. Look up B7 as well. I won't tell you the voicing of that exactly. Like I say, just look it up. Now, if you want to really add some Maroon 5 touches, okay, that's just a little bit of work on the first string right here. And you can figure that out on your own. Now, I believe that covers you all the way through it. So it's those basically 4 guitar lines that you need to know. First one is the beginning power chord riff. Wait. Okay, and that's it. I did a bit of left hand muting right here by lifting. The next phrase is this. Okay, that goes all the way through all the verses. Next is the chorus. As much as possible, try to avoid hitting this third string right here. And an easy way to do that, oops, see that's not right, I hit it, is to mute it a little bit with this finger. Just put it a little bit higher so that it mutes that string. I know you still heard it a few times, but as much as possible, try to mute that string. Now, the next phrase is the bridge, which is, in fact, I'll skip that since well, you probably won't end up playing it. Here's the chicken pickin' riff. Hopefully you can do it with better rhythm than me. Again, that'll sound a lot better on electric. And finally, here's the bridge, which I will show you after all. B minor 7, A minor 7, B flat diminished up to G, B minor 7, A minor 7, C, B7. That's the whole song. Good luck.